Next, method 5. Method 5 to find integrating factor. If the given differential equation is of the form some y into m into x power a into y power b plus some number p into x power c into y power d dx plus x into some number m into x power a into y power b plus some number p q into x power a into c into y power d, where m, a, b, p, c, d, n, q are constants. Dx, dy is equals to 0. If the equation is of the form y into dx plus x into dy, here m into x power something into y power something plus some constant p into x power something into y power something. If the differential equation is like this, then the integration factor is x power h into y power k. If the given differential equation is of the form, then the differential equation is x power h into y power k. Right now. Here h comma k are constants. We have to find h value and k value. Then integrating factor is x power h into y power k. Let us see one example. In this method, example, solve y square plus 2x square y dx plus 2x cube minus xy dy is equals to 0. Solution. So given differential equation. What they are given? Y square plus 2x square y dx plus 2x cube minus xy dy is equals to 0. Here y is common. So y into y plus 2x square dx plus, here x is common, x into 2x square minus y dy is equals to 0. This is of the form. Some y into dx plus x into dy equal to 0. Here some number p into y power a, x power a, x y power b, that is some constant. Here also x square y. Okay, this is this sum. Okay, now what is the integrating factor for this? X power h into y power k. So multiply equation 2, here equation 1 with x power h into y power k. We have to find h comma k values. For this, we have to multiply with integrating factor. What is integrating factor? X power h into y power k. So that implies x power h into y power k into y into y plus 2x square dx plus x power h into y power k into x into 2x square minus y dy is equals to 0. Now x power h into y power k into y power k plus 1 into y plus 2x square dx plus x power h into x power 1 x power h plus 1 into y power k into 2x square minus y dy is equals to 0. Understand? Next, x power h into y power k plus 1 plus y into y. We have to multiply with y. Then x power h into y power k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2 plus again x power h into 2 into x square 2 into x power h plus 2 into y power k plus 1 dx. Understand? Plus again we have to multiply with x power h plus 1 into y power k with 2x square. Then 2x power h plus 1 plus 2 h plus 3 into y power k minus, here minus is there, x power h plus 1 y into y power k into y power k plus 1 dy is equals to 0. Next, this is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. This is of the form m dx plus m1 dx plus n1 dy is equals to 0. First we have to check m dx plus n dy equal to 0 exact or not. Okay, understand? Here we have to check. We have to do it m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Whether dou m by dou y is equal or not equal. Here dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou x. You have to find that. Find dou m by dou y and dou m by dou x, which are not equal. Then continues this process. Otherwise, if this is equal, we have to stop that process. And the integrating there is a solution is integral m dx plus the terms of n1 not containing x dy equal to c. If not equal, if not an exact, then we have to go further. Okay, we have to check. First we have to check it. Dou m by dou y not equal to or not equal. Equal or not equal, exact or not. Here not exact. We have to check. You have to check. You have to write this also. Okay. m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Then m1 is equals to, what is m1 here? X power h into y power k plus 2 plus 2 into x power h plus 2 into y power k plus 1. What is n1? n1 is equals to 2x power h plus 3 into y power k minus x power h plus 1 into y power k plus 1. Okay, if this is exact, if we multiply with x power h into y power k, this must be exact. So equation 2 must be exact. That is dou m1 by dou y is equals to dou n1 by dou x. We have to equal both. Dou m1 by dou y with respect to y. That implies we have to equal now. Now we have to find h value and k value. That's why we have to equating both equations. Dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Then what is with respect to y? X power h into k plus 2 into y power k plus 1. n into x power n minus 1 derivative plus 2 into x power h plus 2 x power h plus 2 into again k plus 1 into y power k derivative x power n into x power n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, y power k is equals to equal to dou n by 1 by dou x with respect to x 2 into h plus 3 into x to the power of h plus 2 into y power k constant minus x power h plus 1 here with respect to x h plus 1 into x power h n into x power n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled x power h into y power k plus 1. Since both are equal here x power h into y power k plus 1 x power h into y power k plus 1 we have to compare the quotients of x power h into y power k plus 1 on both sides. Again x power h plus 2 into y power k on both sides. Then we get h comma k values. We have to substitute here. Then the integrating factor we have to multiply with that integrating factor. Understand? Write down. Now, since both are equal, comparing the quotients on both sides. Comparing the quotients of x power h into y power k plus 1. X power h into y power k plus 1 on both sides. Here, quotient of x power h into y power k plus 1, k plus 2. K plus 2 is equals to, here, x power h into y power k plus 1, minus of h plus 1. Minus of h plus 1. Here, k plus 2 into, k plus 2 plus h plus 1 equal to 0. That implies h plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. That will be equation 3. Okay, again comparing the quotients of the coefficients of again x power h plus 2 into y power k on both sides in LHS 2 into k plus 1 k plus 1 is equals to in RHS x power h plus 2 into y power k 2 into h plus 3 2 gets cancelled. Here k plus 1 transfer to right side minus k minus 1 is equals to 0 h minus k plus 2 equal to 0. That will be equation 4. Solve equation 3 and 4. We get h comma k values. Now 3 plus 4 implies 3 plus 4 we get h plus h 2h plus k minus k gets cancelled. 3 plus 2 5 2h plus 5 is equals to 0. So h value is minus 5 by 2. Okay, now substitute h in 3. Substitute h value in 3. So here h is minus 5 by 2 plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, here k is equals to minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 3. Okay, k is equals to minus 1 by 2. 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2. So here k value h value. Therefore integrating factor is equals to x power h into y power k. What is h? X power minus 5 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2. Now we have to multiply given equation with x power minus 5 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2. Then it will be exact. Then we will do the common process. Write down. Now multiply equation 1 with multiply equation 1 with integrating factor x power minus 5 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2. What is equation? Y square plus 2xy. So x power minus 5 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2 into y square plus 2x square y dx plus again x power minus 5 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2 into 2x cube minus xy dy is equals to 0. This is given differential equation. So now multiply x power minus 5 by 2 into y square into y power minus 1 by 2, y power 2 minus 1 by 2, y power 3 by 2. 2 to the 4 minus 1 3 by 2 plus again 2 into x square into x power 5 by 2, x power 2 minus 5 by 2, so x power minus 1 by 2, x power minus 1 by 2 again y power 1 into y power minus 1 by 2, y power 1 into y power minus half, so y power 1 minus 1 by 2. What is 1 minus 1 by 2? 1 by 2. So y power half, y power 1 by 2 whole dx plus again same 2 into x cube into x power minus 5 by 2, x power 3 minus 5 by 2, 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 5 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2. Next minus x into x power minus 5 by 2, x power 1 minus 5 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 5 minus 3 by 2, x power minus 3 by 2 into y power 1 into y power minus 1 by 2 again y power 1 by 2 whole dy is equals to 0. This is of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. This is of the form m1 dx plus n2 dy equal to 0. m2 already m1 n1 completed, m2 n2. Here n2 is equals to x power minus 5 by 2 into y power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 into y power 1 by 2. So dou m2 by dou y we have to find. So here with respect to y, x constant, x power minus 5 by 2 into x power n into x power n minus 1, 3 by 2 into y power 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 plus 2 into x constant, x power minus 1 by 2 into y power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So answer is 3 by 2 into x power minus 5 by 2 into y power 1 by 2 plus here x power minus 1 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2. That is dou m2 by dou y. What is m2 here? m2 equal to 2 into x power 1 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2 minus x power minus 3 by 2 into y power 1 by 2. We have to find dou m2 by dou x is equals to, with respect to x, y constant, 2 into y power minus 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus, here y power 1 by 2 constant, x power minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 into x power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. Here minus 5 by 2, this is minus 5 by 2. We have to write minus 5 by 2. Then 2 cancel, x power minus 1 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2, minus into minus, plus 3 by 2 into x power minus 5 by 2 into y power 1 by 2. Here 3 by 2 into x power minus 5 by 2 into y power 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2 into y power 1 by 2. Therefore, dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n2 by dou x. Therefore, equation 2 is exact. Equation 3. Already 3, 4 completed. Equation 5. Therefore, equation 5 is exact. Therefore, dou m2 by here. Therefore, dou m2 by dou y equal to dou n2 by dou x. Therefore, equation 5 is exact. Now we have to find solution. Understand? Right now. What is m2? m2 is equals to x power minus 5 by 2 into y power 3 by 2 plus 2x power minus 1 by 2 into y power 1 by 2. What is m2? 2x power 1 by 2 into y power minus 1 by 2 plus minus x power minus 3 by 2 into y power 1 by 2. Okay? Now, general solution of equation 1 is, what is general solution? Integral m2 dx plus integral terms of n2 not containing x dy is equals to c. That implies integral, what is m2 dx? X power minus 5 by 2 into y power 3 by 2 dx plus 2 into x power minus half into y power half dx plus terms of n2 not containing x. Here x is there, here x is there. There is no term. Therefore, integral 0 dy is equals to c. Here y power 3 by 2 constant with respect to dx. So y power 3 by 2 into, what is the integration? X power minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by minus 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 into y power 1 by 2 constant x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equals to c. Next, y power 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. So here x power minus 3 by 2 by minus 3 by 2 plus 2 into y power 1 by 2 into x power 1 minus half of x power half by half equal to c. Next, here minus 3 by 2 will become minus 2 by 3. Reverse. Minus 2 by 3 into x power minus 3 by 2 into y power 3 by 2. Here 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into x power half into y power half is equals to c. This is the general solution. This is the general solution of given differential equation. When this method was used, when the given equation is of the form some y into m into x power a into y power b plus t into x power c into y power d dx plus x into some constant into some function into dy equal to 0. Then integrating factor is x power h into y power k. We have to find the h comma k values. Substitute in that x power h into y power k. We have to multiply with that x power h into y power k. Then we get the exact differential equation. Then we get the solution. Understand? I will give you homework 5 problems. You have to do that. Write down. Write down. First problem, homework. Solve 2y dx plus 3x dy plus 2xy into 3y dx plus 4x dy is equals to 0. Second one, solve 2x square y minus 3y power 4 dx plus 3x cube whole dx plus 3x cube plus 2xy cube dy is equals to 0. Third one, solve x into 3y dx plus 2x dy plus 8y power 4 into y dx plus 3x dy is equals to 0. Fourth one, solve three x plus 2y square into y dx plus 2x into 2x plus 3y square dy is equals to 0. Last sum, solve 2x square y plus y dx minus x cube y minus 3x dy is equals to 0. Let us see first question. This is not in the form m dx plus m dy equal to 0. Here dx is there. Again here dx is there. We have to common dx. And we have to write down this as m in the form of, we have to convert this in the form of m dx plus m dy equal to 0. Then we have to continue. Okay. This is of the form m dx plus m dy equal to 0. Next, this is also first problem order. This is also not in the form m dx plus m dy equal to 0. We have to convert this. How? Here dx is there, common dx. Also dy is there, common dy. Okay. Here m dx plus m dy equal to 0, m dx plus m dy equal to 0. Okay. Just for practice, you have to do these 5 problems. So 5 methods are completed. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. You have to do these 5 problems. Okay, thank you.